Looking at buying your luxury property for $3.2 million in Surrey? Wondering where to start? Welcome to West Cloverdale, where luxury meets comfort. Today we are exploring 16472 Bell Road in West Cloverdale. This is a 6,000 square feet custom-built home on a 14,000 square feet lot. Come, check it out. As we approach this remarkable 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom home, you can't help but notice its striking curb appeal. This home is designed to maximize both style and function while offering panoramic views of the beautiful valley to the south, perfect for year-round enjoyment. The spacious wraparound deck features a built-in fireplace, ideal for cozy evenings or hosting summer barbecues with friends and family. Step inside to a world of elegance and modern living. The main level boasts expansive living area drenched in natural light. The open concept design seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen space, perfect for entertaining. The heart of this home is the gourmet kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. From a built-in wine cooler to a large walk-in pantry, no detail has been spared. And for the culinary enthusiast, there is a separate spice kitchen or a butler kitchen, ensuring your main kitchen stays in pristine condition. The lower level of this home is designed for both leisure and practicality, with a theater room, wet bar, space for your own private gym. There's something for everyone. And let's not forget, this basement comes with its own separate entrance, making it perfect in case you want an in-law suite to be put in. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite offers a peaceful retreat, complete with a spa-like ensuite bathroom, and in addition, it has his and her closet and the gorgeous view of the valley. This prime location offers unparalleled convenience with 2 elementary schools, daycare, a Montessori just in walking distance. You'll also find parks and easy access to highways and public transits, making commuting a breeze. If you're looking for a home that combines luxury, comfort, and convenience, then 16472 Bell Road in West Cloverdale is that dream home that you were looking for. Don't miss this opportunity to own this masterpiece in one of Surrey's most coveted neighborhoods.